Okay, it's day one, and this frame is going to go under that truck, mainly because of this. You can see every area of it is just shot. Let's see how much rust there is. So, this frame is in much better shape. The body, of course, is shot on this one, but that's okay. Probably going to take most of the summer. For example, see this area? Much better. Much better. Now, the thing about this frame is there's a whole mess of other stuff that's been added to it. Looks like a plow system was added over here. A lot of weld-on fixtures and whatnot. So, but as far as the general condition, those seams are beautiful, you know. Serial number at. This ought to be fun. Thanks to Mike B, the donor truck frame.